Welcome to this video about the Burj Khalifa, exploring the architecture and history of this global icon known as the vertical city. Dubai shifted its future from oil to tourism, leading the government to build a sensational landmark to attract global attention. The Burj Khalifa shattered all limits, reaching 829.8 meters into the sky and holding 163 floors, making it the world's tallest building. Its design copies nature. The base matches a desert flower. The structure also honors Islamic architecture. Skidmore, Owings Merrill designed the tower. Adrian Smith led the architecture, and Bill Baker led the structural engineering. The building supports its massive weight with 3 wings that brace the central core, and the shape is designed to stop the wind. Builders used extreme materials, 330,000 cubic meters of concrete and 55,000 tons of steel. Engineers mixed ice into the concrete, pouring it at night to prevent cracks. Construction moved fast. Digging began in January 2004, topping out occurred in 2009, and the tower had its grand opening in January 2010. The structure functions as a vertical city, containing hotels, homes, and offices. Even its sky lobbies hold swimming pools. The tower runs on powerful systems. Double-deck elevators travel at 10 meters per second. The cooling system matches the cooling power of 13,000 tons of melting ice. The base houses pure luxury. The Armani Hotel occupies 15 floors, offering guests a world-class design experience. Tourists can view the world from the clouds. The outdoor deck sits at 555 meters, and electronic telescopes enhance the view of the landscape. Keeping the tower pristine is a massive effort. Workers wash 24,348 windows using machines on 3 horizontal tracks. A full cleaning takes 3 months. An 11-hectare park surrounds the base. The Dubai fountain shoots water 150 meters high, making it the largest choreographed fountain on Earth. The Burj Khalifa lights up the sky, hosting a famous New Year celebration. It remains a global symbol of human ambition,